So guys, today I'm discuss topic about that how we can adding for structured data. What does it mean that? Suppose if you open for Amazon or you can open for Apple. Suppose I'm open for Amazon website. The right corner they're showing for complete details. This will be complete for schema.org data information. This information will adding on the website will using for this code option. First of all, any website the code will be available or not. First of all, you have to check it which is required, that is called organization name and the website name and founder, founding date or year. You can mention that telephone number, if your business, logo and favicon and your social icons. That all appear on the Google search option. Like the visible will be in this option will be here. So how we adding for this option will be in the news portals and this. So how is adding for in this news portal? First of all, how to check? In this checking purpose, we have to use one website name is there. The website name we have to write it here. This is the website name. And no worry about that. This will be, we can search for the data structure. Checker also will be there. Search.google.com/structure data /testing tool /u/0. So this URL we can use it. Or else we can check on Google. Schema checker. They will show in the first option. First of all, I can copy the website URL, checking for here first. Now, in this, they will showing any information will be in this right side. The data will be valid for tolerisnews.com for the news portal. Here, I'm not detect any option will be there. Suppose if I'm go to Amazon.in, just I'm showing for one of the website will be is the topmost website, Amazon. So we can go to back in this and text it. They show your code will be in the right side corner in the particular option. Here in the detect for the particular code. So they hide the code, so they don't showing for in this option. In this purpose, I can show you my website has the code. Some website will be hide in this address. So that is we can adding for your by this some people will be hide the complete code. Here will be given by the organization. Here I'm writing only for this much of code. I'm not give the this much of fully information. Once you done this information will be here. How to write? I'll show him for writing method. So done on writing. Here is the final one. Organization, Talisin News, website, founder name, and here on the founding date. We can go for which is the social media icons will be here. We can add it. Logo and favicon will be added and the social icon names will be added. After this, copy this code. First of all, you have to check the code will be option there in this option. That is called, we can go to for code snippet and check here, run text. The code will be valid without errors, zero errors and zero warnings. We can code update by the cPanel access. So before updating, after updating, how to check? I tell you here. First copy the website URL, testing the URL, run text. In the right side corner, they did not show any kind of code. You can check it. Is a left, is a right. Zero earnings, that is called zero errors, zero warning, zero items. Now, I'm adding code in the particular website cPanel. Now I'm logging for cPanel. So I'm logging cPanel. Where you can writing the code will be here. Copy the code. We compile by the in the particular option will be there. Just where home page, you upload the code will be home page option here. Edit. Home page. Now we can go for new test. Here, everything will be done. Name, URL, data founding, everything. Type of person, name here. Here, every social media icons will update it. logo updater. So that is called people easily find out by your logo and favicon option. So this is compulsory. We can give the this option. And if you compulsory worry about the coding, no worry about the coding will be here. Coding complete I'll give by go to my website. In this option will be there blogs. Go to blogs, find out the video along with the coding also will be available. So take the code, create the schema.org to generating will be like this. This will be appear based on your social media posting. The icon will updated from your Google search option. Once adding the schema.org program, immediately they can't show the anywhere. They will show only for based on uploading content, share the social media. They're available by the in this Google search option. Condition compulsory important. Find the condition and utilize your policies. So this is the way you can adding for schema.org option on your particular website. That mean by create a data structure. And sir, I can't write the code. I'm worried about the coding. No worry about the problem. The easy step I'll give you here. This code will be given by the Google Webmaster. How they giving for? I tell you in this. Go to google.com/webmasters. In this, I'm logging for a particular tool is Webmaster. Here, the option call is latency in this particular tool report. In this, everything will be web tools. In the web tools, the option will be here. In this, testing tools will be here. Structure data testing tool. Here will be there for testing tool option. And in this, if we go for back, here every option will be here. Data markup helper. In this, you can add the website URL or HTML. In this URL, which category will be dataset, event, anything. So in this one here, common option. If you are not there, will be here. We can go for local business. Any option will be selected. Is a common one. Previous service will be there. Now we'll be adding for local business. Suppose in your category anything not required, you can go for local business option and start tagging. The code will be created will be based on your create this option. So this is the way we can creating for schema structured data. Is most important for the to adding the Google Search Console for every detail will be explained purpose. This will be used on your particular website to increase your search preference on your particular social media logo and particular favicon purpose. Use it compulsory each and every website. That is a main thing you will be create the structured data. In this purpose, lot of designs will be there. I'll show one steps in the design patterns. These are some guidelines will be given here. Based on the data will be added. The showing will be in this Google. This will be second process will be showing for search results on Google. This is a code option. Here will be in this. If you're showing for like this, adding this code for schema. So anything for you need for the navigation, add your particular for navigation purpose. This will be item from and video purpose. Adding for schema will be video will be there. And this will be in your particular options. So this all will be schema program. If you give the rating option, rating for in this option will be here. So we can go to right and particularly we can give by for rating option. This you can use this. How much your rating will be given? We can use this option. This is called all will be schema program to writing for showing the rank to the particular Google search results. Use it and increase your search data on the every search engine option. Thank you guys. If you more details, anything will be required, please chat us with us for your WhatsApp in my website. And anything required will be there. Go to my channel, Mr. Rakesh. You can subscribe, ask question anytime by email. I'll definitely make the video. If any further doubts, adding the schema.org program, you can chat with me by email, by WhatsApp. Every time I will support you for anything. When you send the comment box, I'm not reply. Just you can push up the one once again into comment. Definitely I reply by the each and every your comments and WhatsApp, email, and in a particular YouTube channel. For any assistance for questions, please ask me. I'll make the video uploading and I'll guide you how we can assist you for every information.